Here are the different light options. Here's a duller version. Brighter. A very yellow version. And the brightest version. And then you can increase each setting based on the middle button on the remote. This is the fan on. Here is speed 1. It is a very quiet fan. It looks very modern. And then this would be on the highest, speed 6. A little bit louder, and it is very powerful. This is the remote with the fan. This is the clip that you can screw into the wall and slide up and down. This is for the light function, the brightness, day and night, the fan, and then these are your 6 settings for how powerful you want it to be.